Welcome to the class. In this class, let us learn how to factorize a quadratic polynomial type 3. Standard form of the quadratic polynomial is, we know that ax square plus bx plus c. In previous videos, I have explained the two types of quadratic polynomials, how to factorize them. In the first one, the x coefficient is positive and constant also positive. Here x square term, x term and constant. X term is positive and constant is positive. In the second type, x coefficient is negative and constant is positive. In the second type. In this third type, x square plus x minus 12. Here x coefficient is positive and constant is negative. That means this quadratic polynomial is in the form of x square plus a plus b into x minus ab. In the first type of the quadratic polynomial, it is in the form of x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. The second type, the quadratic polynomial is in the form of x square minus a plus b into x plus ab. If this third one is like this, then how to factorize this type of quadratic polynomials? Now let us learn how to factorize. Let us factorize this quadratic polynomial step by step method and by writing all the steps clearly. Okay, let us start. Here, what is the coefficient of x square? Coefficient of x square is 1. Coefficient of x also, if number is not there, any number is not there before the variable, you have to take it as 1. Coefficient of x is also 1. Then constant, this is minus 12. We have to multiply the coefficient of x square with constant. 1 into minus 12, we get minus 12. Multiply 1 into minus 12, minus 12. Why? Because we are multiplying here. After multiplying, we have to write the minus 12 as product of two factors, and the sum of the two factors should be equal to the x term, and product should be equal to this product is equal to the product of x square, coefficient of x square and constant. So here product of x square and constant is x square and constant is equal to 1 into minus 12, that is equal to minus 12. Now let us split this one. This is negative. In previous two videos we have seen that is positive, but here negative 12, and x coefficient is coefficient of x is positive, that is equal to 1. So let us start now. 1 into 12, there are 1 into 12, but 1 into 12 is 12 only, but here minus 12 is there, so I have to assign minus symbol to the 1. Minus into plus minus, 1 into 12, 12, or 1 into minus 12 is also possible to get minus 12. 1 plus into minus minus, 1 into 12, 12. Now let us add these two. Minus 1 plus 12, 11. We didn't get 1, no use. Here 1 minus 12, we get minus 11, but we should get 1, so no use. Then take 2. 2 6 are 12. Here also there are two possibilities. If product is negative, in the pair of two factors, either may be negative. Either 2 is negative or 6 is negative. Why? Because here minus into plus, minus, plus into minus, minus. When product is positive, we should take both positive or both negative. When product is negative, we should take one positive and one negative. Negative positive or positive negative. 2 6 are 12, minus into plus, minus, plus into minus, minus. Now add these two, minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 4. Here add these two, 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 4. Did we get 1? No. By adding these two we didn't get 1. So this is not useful here. So let us next go to the third factor. 3 4s are 12. Write 2 times and assign minus symbol once minus 3, once to 3 and once to 4. ఈ విధంగా ఇక్కడ ప్రొడక్ట్ నెగిటివ్గా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఉన్నటువంటి పేర్లో ఏదో ఒకదానికి మాత్రమే నెగిటివ్ సింబల్ ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ ఒకటికి ఒకటికి నెగిటివ్ సింబల్ ఈ పేర్లో, లేదా ఈ పేర్లో 12కి మైనస్ సింబల్ ఉంటుంది. సో if you observe all these pairs, one of the two numbers is negative, other one is positive when product is negative. Now in this case different symbols are there, so we have to subtract. 4 minus 3 1, here we got 1. In this case 3 minus 4 minus 1, so not match. 1 is here, so let us take this pair and split the x term as x square. We have to write the x term as product sum of two terms. So here that is minus 3 and x, right, x plus 4x. You can write x as minus 3x plus 4x. Here minus 12. Now let us verify it is correct or not. By subtraction, 4 minus 3 1, 1x. Multiply these two coefficients, plus into minus, minus, 3 4 ja 12. By multiplying these coefficients, you should get constant. By adding these coefficients, you should get coefficient of x. In that way you have to take this. If you take other than this any other factors, we cannot get minus 12. We cannot get minus 12 or we cannot get coefficient of x. If we take minus 2 6 in the place of here minus 2x plus 6x, we get 4x, but 4x is not there. But product is 12, minus 12, but addition we cannot get 4x. Now let us take common factor x in these two terms, because x square can be written as x into x and 3x can be written as 3 into x. So x is the common factor in these two terms. Now divide x square by x. Divide x square by x. X square can be written as x into x by x. X cancel, we get x as quotient. So write here quotient. X square by x is equal to x. Now minus 3x by x. Minus 3x by x. X cancel, we get minus 3. Right here minus 3. So we have to divide the x square and minus 3x by x. If you can divide by oral, you can divide this one. No need to do all this. Now what is the common factor in these two terms? 4 1 ja, 4 3 ja. So plus 4. 4 is the common factor. Now divide by 4 cancel x. 4x by 4 plus by plus plus 4 by 4 cancel 1 x minus by plus minus 12 by plus 4 minus by plus minus 4 1 ja 4 3 ja minus 3. So if you can write the numbers by calculating orally, మీరు నోట్ మామూలుగా సొంతంగా క్యాల్కులేట్ చేసి ఇక్కడే గాల్లోనే క్యాల్కులేట్ చేసి రాయగలిగితే రాయొచ్చు, ఇదంతా చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. So minus by plus minus 4 3 is 12. Again here we got two factors, two terms, x into x minus 3, 4 into x minus 3. In these two terms, x minus 3 is the common factor. We have seen here. So take that one as common factor and write the remaining factors there are x plus 4. How do you get x plus 4? X into x minus 3 divided by x minus 3. X into x minus 3 divided by x minus 3. X minus 3 cancel, we get x. So I wrote here x. Similarly, 4 into x minus 3 by x minus 3. 4 into x minus 3 by x minus 3. X minus 3 cancel. X minus 3 cancel. We get 4. Plus 4 or minus 4? Plus 4. Here plus symbol is there, plus 4. So this is the factors. Therefore, x square plus x minus 12 can be written as x minus 3 into x plus 4. Or it can be written as x plus 4 into x minus 3. You can write in any way. So here, these by multiplying these two linear polynomials, again we will get this one only. So in this way, you have to keep in memory that the product is negative. You have to factorize like this, and here we have to subtract, you should not add. By subtraction, whether we get the x coefficient or not, సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేయడం ద్వారా మనకు ఎక్స్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ వస్తుందా లేదా చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. దేనికి వస్తుందో దాన్ని మనం సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని అక్కడ ఎక్స్ టర్మ్స్ రాసుకొని మిగిలిన ప్రాసెస్ కంటిన్యూ చేయాలి. ఓకే, లెట్ us solve one more problem to understand this concept clearly. Factorize 7x square plus 8x minus 12. Here plus minus type 3. I have explained you a problem before this one. So we have to factorize this one. This is ax square plus bx plus c formula. So here coefficient of x square is 7, coefficient of x is 8, constant is minus 12. Product of x square term, coefficient of x square and constant. Product of coefficient of x square and constant. Coefficient of x square is 7 and constant is minus 12. We get minus 84. Now let us write here and compare. Negative number, product is negative, minus 84, but here this is positive, x coefficient is positive, that is 8. We have to factorize, we have to write the minus 84 as product of two factors. First one, 1 into 84 minus 1 into 84 or 1 into minus 84. Minus into plus minus, plus into minus minus. Now let us add minus 1 plus 84. Do we get 8? No, 83 only. Here 1 minus 84, we get minus 83. But here 8 is there. So this is not, we should not take these numbers as to split the 8x. Next we take second table, 2 4 ja, 2 2 ja. 2 times you write, keep minus 1, minus 2, minus 42. By subtraction, 42 minus 2 is 40. Here by subtraction, 2 minus 42 is minus 40. So not useful here. This one also should get minus 1 only. We didn't take this one because it is minus 40. 3 table, 3 2 ja 6, 24, 3 8 ja 24. Write 2 times this one also, keep minus symbol here also, minus symbol, because minus into plus minus, plus into minus minus. Now subtraction here also, minus 3 plus 28, 25, 3 minus 28 minus 25, but we should get 8. Next 4 table, 4 2 ja 8, 4 1 ja 4, 2 times, minus minus. Minus 4 plus 21 is equal to, here we get 17. 4 minus 21 is equal to minus 17, but we should get 8. If 17 is there, you have to take this one, these two numbers as to split the x. Next 5 table does not divide. 6 table, 6 1 ja 6, 24, 6 4 ja 24. Now write 2 times this one also, minus minus. Minus 6 plus 14 is equal to plus 8. 6 minus 14 is equal to minus 8. So what we have to take here? 8 is there. So we have to take minus 6 plus 14. So here I will give a trick to select this one. Here is a positive number is there here. So bigger number is positive, smaller number is negative. Here bigger number is negative, smaller number is positive. If positive number is there, you have to select the positive one and you should not select the negative one. So you should take this one and let us write. So that is 7x square. ఈ 8xని 2 నెంబర్స్ మొత్తంగా రాసుకోవాలి. అంటే మైనస్ 6x ప్లస్ 14x అని రాయొచ్చు. 14 మైనస్ 6 8 వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ దిస్ వన్ అలాగే రాయండి. కరెక్టా కాదా చెక్ చేద్దాం. minus 6 plus 14 plus 8x, we get the same. Now multiply 6 4 ja 84, 14 6 ja 84 minus 84, 7 12 ja 84 minus 84 because plus into minus. So our process is correct. Now what is the common factor here? This 7 and 6, they have no common factors. So only x is the common factor. Take x as common factor. Now 7x square by x, x square cancel, 7x. Here minus 6x by x, x cancel, 6 over. Here 14 and 12. What is the common factor? 2. 2 7 ja, 2 6 ja. So only 2 is the common factor. Now 2 7 ja, 14x minus by plus minus 2 6 ja 12. 2 6 ja 12. If you cannot do like this, you can do right in the rough work, and you can find by writing them in the rough work. 2 1 ja 2 7 ja 7x. Similarly, minus 12 by 2 minus 6. 2 1 ja 2 6 ja. So 7 minus 6, 7 minus 6 is again common factor. Now I have to write one more factor. Close this one. Here x is there, write x, and here close this one, plus 2. You can do like this also, plus 2. These are the two factors of this one. So we can write 7x square plus 8x minus 12 as product of two linear polynomials or algebraic expressions in this way. If you multiply these two, you will get this x1 square plus 8x minus 12. If you want to find out the zeros of this one, you have to make it equal them to equal. 7x minus 6 is equal to 0, 7x is equal to 6, and x is equal to 6 by 7. Here x plus 2 is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 2. So zeros of this polynomial are x is equal to 6 by 7 and minus 2. Let us solve one more problem to get the idea. Now let us factorize 5x square plus 10x minus 15. This is also third type. Here x coefficient is positive and product is negative. So multiply, write first coefficient of x square 5, coefficient of x is 10 and constant is minus 15. Now multiply coefficient of x square with constant, coefficient of x square plus constant minus 5 into 15 minus 75. Now factorize. Now write the minus 75 as product of two numbers. Then here a coefficient of x is 10 is positive. So divide with 1, 1 into 75 minus 1 into 75 or 1 into minus 75. Now by adding 75 minus 1, 74, not useful. Here 1 minus 75 minus 75, so we didn't get 10, so leave them. Next take 2 table. 2 table does not divide this one, so don't write. T table, 3 2 ja 6, 15, 3 5 ja 15. If you cannot do in the orally like this, you can write here 75 by 3. 3 2 is 6, 15, 3 5 is 15. So 3 into 25. So keep negative symbol, minus symbol for 3 and here minus 25. Because minus into plus, minus. Plus into minus, minus. Now minus 3 plus 25 is equal to 22. 3 minus 25 is equal to minus 22. But we didn't get 10 by adding these two. So take 4 table. 4 table also does not divide this minus 75. Then take 5 table. 5 1 is 5, 5 5 is 25. Write 2 times and keep minus symbol to the 5 in the first pair and minus symbol to 15 in the second pair. Now add these two. Minus 5 plus 10 plus 15 is equal to 10. 5 minus 15 minus 10. So here positive 10 is there, so we have to select these two numbers. So write 5x square as it is. Only you have to split the 10x as, you have to write this one as minus 5x here. See here, this one minus 5x plus 15x and write the another number constant as it is. Only we have to write the x term as sum of two terms. Now what is factor, common factor here? 5 1 is 5, 5 1 is 5, 5 is the common factor, x also common factor. Now divide 5x square by 5x, 5 5 cancel, x square by x, we get x. Minus by plus minus, 5x by 5x cancel, we get 1. 5x by 5x, both are cancel, we get 1. Here also 15 is the common factor but not x. 15 is the common factor. 15x by 15, 15 cancel, we get x. Minus by plus minus, 15 by 15, 1. Now x minus 1 is the common factor in these two numbers. Right here x minus 1, and by dividing 5x into x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1 cancel, we get 5x. So 5, write 5x here plus 15 into x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1 cancel, we get 15. These are the two factors of the 5x square plus 10x minus 15 is equal to, we can write x minus 1 into 5x plus 15. In this way we can factorize the quadratic polynomials which are in the form of x square plus a plus b into x minus ab. That means product is negative and x coefficient is positive. Okay, I will give some assignment regarding this type of polynomials. You have to try yourself. Factorize the following quadratic polynomials. This is assignment for you. First one, x square plus 3x minus 18. Second one, 4x square plus 19x minus 25. Third one, x square plus 2x minus 15. Fourth question, 7x square plus 20x, 26x minus 8. Fifth question, 6x square plus 11x minus 7. These are the all are here quotient, x quotient is positive, product is negative. So see here plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus. So to solve these problems, once again you have to revise the solutions of the previous questions and then factorize all these 5 questions.